Good morning everyone and welcome to the class. Sweethearts, today we'll do a poem from your first flight book and the name of the poem is The Tale of Custard the Dragon. So let's discuss the title first. What is a tale? Tale means a story about events that are not real, imaginative. काल्पनिक कथा जिसको हम हिंदी में कहते हैं. Tale of Custard the Dragon. So custard is the name of an animal here and the animal is dragon. And this poem is written in the style of a ballad. And ballad is a song again or a poem that tells a story. So this poem is a humorous means funny ballad close to a parody. अब ये पैरोडी क्या होती है, इसे भी हास्यपूर्ण आप काव्य कह सकते हैं. So this poem is actually humorous, full of fun. So sweethearts, let's not waste the time and let's read the poem first. Belinda lived in a little white house with a little black kitten and a little grey mouse and a little yellow dog and a little red wagon and a really truly little pet dragon. Now the name of the little black kitten was Ink, and the little grey mouse she called him Blink, and the little yellow dog was sharp as mustard, but the dragon was a coward and she called him Custard. Sweethearts, this is a poem about a girl and her name is Belinda. And this little girl Belinda lives with her pets in a white house. And these pets are a black kitten, a grey mouse, a yellow dog, and a dragon. They all use a red wagon. Wagon here means a car, buggy जिसको हम बोलते हैं, when they want to go out somewhere. In this second stanza, the poet explains the name of all the animals that are tamed by Belinda. He says that the name of black kitten is Ink, the name of grey mouse is Blink, the little yellow dog had yellow color, so Belinda, she calls him Mustard, and the dragon that was a coward, was weak, was called Custard, and he was also sweet like a sweet dish called custard. So there are some literary devices used in this particular stanza also. First is the rhyme scheme, which is similar like the first one, AABB. For example, house, mouse, wagon, dragon, and ink, blink, mustard, custard. So AABB. Then a poetic device called simile, where a comparison is made. So a dog is compared to mustard in the line this, and the little yellow dog was sharp as mustard. This is a simile being used here. And one more literary device called alliteration. For example, where there's a repetition of a sound. For example, coward when she called him custard, and again custard, the repetition of the sound C sound again. Coward, custard. Custard, the dragon had big sharp teeth and spikes on top of him and scales underneath. Mouth like a fireplace chimney for a nose, and really truly daggers on his toes. So third stanza talks about the pet dragon whose name is Custard. So he had big sharp teeth and spikes on top of him. आप सबने देखा होगा ड्रैगन कैसा होता है, कैसे स्पाइक्स कांटों की तरह उसकी बॉडी अपर पार्ट होता है और किस तरह से स्केल्स जैसे मछली की धारियां बनी होती है उस तरह से उसकी स्टमक पे अंडरनीथ जो है वो स्केल्स बनी हुई हैं. माउथ जो है इट्स जस्ट लाइक अ फायर प्लेस. जैसे ड्रैगन्स आपने किससे कहानियों में देखा ही होगा कि मुंह से आग निकालते हैं. सो माउथ लाइक अ फायर प्लेस, चिमनी फॉर अ नोज, और नाक से उसके जो है जैसे धुआं निकलता हो, चिमनी का काम करता हो. एंड रियली ट्रूली daggers on his toes. Daggers here means नाइफ की तरह, चाकू की तरह तेज जो है उसके वो toes हैं. Belinda was as brave as a barrel full of bears, and Ink and Blink chased lions down the stairs. Mustard was as brave as a tiger in a rage, but Custard cried for a nice safe cage. In the fourth stanza, poet explains the inner strength or the bravery of various characters of the poem. सबसे पहले वो बात करते हैं बेलिंडा की. He says that Belinda was as brave as a group of bears. Barrel here means जैसे ड्रम बोलते हैं, जैसे हम ड्रम, DRUM ड्रम, कि जैसे bears ड्रम भर के, बैरल फुल ऑफ bears, इतनी ब्रेव है वो. एंड Ink and Blink chased lions. Chase मतलब हंट करना, उनको फॉलो करना हो, वो लायंस के भी पीछे भागते हैं और लायंस को भी भगा देते हैं, इतने ब्रेव हैं Ink and Blink. Whereas Mustard, he is also as brave as a tiger in a rage. जितने गुस्से में एक टाइगर हो सकता है, rage here means anger, जितने गुस्से में वो हो सकता है उतना ही ज्यादा गुस्सा जो है, उतना गुस्सा मस्टर्ड को भी आता है, जो कि एक डॉग है. लेकिन कस्टर्ड वो हमेशा cried for a nice safe cage. He is so afraid of everything that he always demanded a safe cage. He didn't want to move out into any sort of danger. Belinda tickled him, she tickled him unmerciful. Ink, Blink and Mustard, they rudely called him Percival. They all sat laughing in the little red wagon at the really truly cowardly dragon. Belinda giggled till she shook the house, and Blink said weak, which is giggling for a mouse. Ink and Mustard rudely asked his age, when Custard always cried for a nice safe cage. Here, Belinda, she tickled him. She teased the dragon badly, and she tickled him unmerciful. Cruelly she used to tickle him, tease him. Ink, Blink and Mustard, they rudely called him Percival. Now Percival is actually a knight. He was a knight in the King Arthur's court, and he's supposed to be he was thought to be a very brave soldier, brave knight, but actually he ran away due to the lack of courage. So here dragon is compared to Percival, who was one of a knight, जिसको हम शूरवीर बोलते हैं. Percival उनका नाम है. वो किंग आर्थर के कोर्ट में हुआ करते थे, जो कि माना जाता था कि काफी ब्रेव हैं, लेकिन जब जरूरत पड़ी तो वो भाग खड़े हुए. क्यों? क्योंकि वो उतनी करेज जो है, उतना अपनी जो शूरवीरता है वो उसे दिखा नहीं पाए. So they all sat laughing in the little red wagon, and Trulio cowardly dragon मजाक उड़ाते हैं Custard का. Belinda giggled means to laugh till she shook the house. हंस के पूरा घर हिला देती है. And Blink said weak यहाँ पर जो है वो sound है जो कि made by mouse, which is giggling for a mouse. And Ink and Mustard rudely asked his age. वो उसकी age पूछते हैं. They would tease him by asking the age of the dragon whenever he used to demand for a nice safe cage. Suddenly they heard a nasty sound, and Mustard growled, and they all looked around. Meouch, cried Ink, and oh, cried Belinda, for there was a pirate climbing in the window. Pistol in his left hand, pistol in his right, and he held in his teeth a cutlass bright. His beard was black, one leg was wood. It was clear that the pirate meant no good. Belinda paled and she cried, help, help. and Mustard fled with a terrified yell. Ink trickled down the bottom of the household and Little Mouse blinked strategically mousehold. Here in these 3 stanzas, suddenly the situation completely changes. Now what happens here is that while all of them were making fun of dragons, suddenly they heard a sound of someone entering the house. They heard a dirty sound, and what happened? Dirty here means bad, unpleasant. कुछ अच्छी आवाजें नहीं आती हैं. और क्या होता है? Mustard it growled. Growled here means भौंकना, bark करना, barking. And they all looked around. क्या देखते हैं? कि for there was a pirate climbing in the window. पायरेट कौन है यहाँ पे? समुद्री डाकू जिसे हम कहते हैं. a person who robs ship in the sea. वो कहाँ से आ रहा है? विंडो अगेन ये विंडो के लिए यूज किया है, पोएटिक लाइसेंस है, तो वो विंडो को विंडा उन्होंने एक रिदम क्रिएट करने के लिए, राइमिंग स्कीम को मेंटेन करने के लिए यूज कर लिया हुआ है. अब वो क्या है उसके पास? पिस्टल इन हिज लेफ्ट हैंड, पिस्टल इन हिज राइट, एंड ही हेल्ड इन हिज टीथ अ कटलेस ब्राइट. यहाँ पर अब वो क्या है उसके पास? गन है, हैंड गन है और कटलेस है. कटलेस मीन्स एक छोटी आप स्वॉर्ड कह सकते हैं, तलवार कह सकते हैं, जिसका कर्व्ड ब्लेड होता है. इस तरह से उनके पास हथियार भी हैं. The poet describes here the appearance of the pirate. He says that the pirate was holding handguns in both his hands and had a little sword too. He was holding his sword with his teeth. दांतों से उसने उसको होल्ड किया हुआ है. He had a black beard. दाढ़ी है उसकी काली, and his one leg was made of wood. This means that though the pirate was a disabled person, टांग उनकी एक है नहीं है, लकड़ी की है, but still फिर भी he was frightening, बहुत ज़्यादा डरावना है. All the other characters जो हैं वो उससे अचानक डर जाते हैं. And moreover he intended to harm them. अब अगर suddenly कोई आया है तो वो harm तो करेगा ही, ऐसा बिल्कुल है. So they all saw a pirate and they got frightened. अब क्या होता है? बेलिंडा was so frightened, so scared that she turned yellow. डर के मारे पीली पड़ जाती है और चिल्लाना शुरू कर देती है, हेल्प हेल्प. मस्टर्ड जो कि एक डॉग है, started crying for help too. वो भी हेल्प चिल्लाना शुरू कर देता है. किटन इंक जो है छोटी, वो ran down the bottom towards नीचे, हाउस में बिल्कुल नीचे की तरफ भाग जाती है. As if he had planned for it. जैसा उसने ऐसे पहले ही सोच लिया हो कि बिल्कुल ट्रिक करके जो है, it ran down the bottom of the household. The mouse Ink ran into his little mouse hole in order to save himself. तो सब जब जो है पायरेट को देखते ही इधर उधर भाग जाते हैं. But up jumped Custard, snorting like an engine, clashed his tail like irons in a dungeon. With a clatter and a clank and a jangling squirm, he went at the pirate like a robin at a worm. The pirate gaped at Belinda's dragon and gulped some cork from his pocket balgon. He fired 2 bullets, but they didn't hit, and Custard gobbled him every bit. Now in these 2 stanzas, poet tells us that how Custard, he did unexpected things when everybody else got completely scared and frightened. उन्होंने एकदम से अटैक किया पायरेट के ऊपर, जो कि बहुत ज्यादा डेंजरस दिख रहा था. उन्होंने he made a sound, explosive sound जो है वो अपने नाक से निकाली, बिल्कुल इंजन की तरह. अपनी टेल को जो है वो जोर जोर से टकराया इधर उधर, जैसे कि तहखानों से आवाज आती है वैसी. With a clatter and a clank, इस तरह की सारे साउंड वर्ड्स हैं यहाँ पे. साउंड ऑफ हार्ड ऑब्जेक्ट्स, इस तरह से उन्होंने भयानक आवाज करते हुए जो है पायरेट के ऊपर हमला किया, बिल्कुल जैसे रॉबिन बर्ड करता है किसी वॉर्म के ऊपर, किसी कीट पतंग के ऊपर. और ये सब देख के क्या हुआ? द पायरेट गेप्ड मीन्स स्टेयर्ड विद माउथ वाइड ओपन. उनका मुंह खुला का खुला रह गया. और जब तक वो थोड़ी उनको करेज आए, स्ट्रेंथ आए, ऐसा पाने के लिए उन्होंने अपने जो अल्कोहल है, जो कॉर्क है, वहाँ से अपनी फैल्गन में से जो कंटेनर होता है जिसमें अल्कोहल रखी जाती है, वहाँ से कुछ उन्होंने ड्रिंक पी सो एज टू गेट सम ब्रेवरी, और 2 बुलेट्स फायर की ड्रैगन के ऊपर, कस्टर्ड के ऊपर, लेकिन वो हिट नहीं करती है और कस्टर्ड जो है वो हर्डली पायरेट को स्वॉलो कर लेता है, इन कर लेता है, निगल लेता है। Belinda embraced him, Mustard licked him. No one mourned for his pirate victim. Ink and Blink in glee did gyrate around the dragon that ate the pirate. But presently up spoke little dog Mustard. I'd been twice as brave if I hadn't been flustered. And up spoke Ink and up spoke Blink. Would have been 3 times as brave we think. And Custard said, I quite agree that everybody is braver than me. Belinda still lives in her little white house with her little black kitten and a little grey mouse and her little yellow dog and her little red wagon and her realio trulio little pet dragon. Belinda is as brave as a barrel full of bears, and Ink and Blink chase lions down the stairs. Mustard is as brave as a tiger in a rage, but Custard keeps crying for a nice safe cage. Now when the pirate was dead, Belinda hugged him. कस्टर्ड को गले लगा लेती हैं। मस्टर्ड जो है वो उसे लिक करना शुरू कर देता है, चाटना शुरू कर देता है। एंड नो वन वॉज सैड फॉर द डेथ ऑफ द पायरेट, कोई शोक नहीं करता है पायरेट के लिए। एंड बोथ इंक एंड ब्लिंक वर रनिंग अराउंड द ड्रैगन इन हैप्पीनेस, उसके गोल गोल चक्कर लगाना शुरू कर देते हैं कस्टर्ड के। सो हियर द पोएट सेज दैट ऑल द कैरेक्टर्स वर हैप्पी and they were showing their gratitude, thankfulness towards the dragon as he had saved them. लेकिन साथ ही साथ जब वो थैंक्स कर चुकते हैं, फिर अगेन दे शोड देयर लव टू द ड्रैगन, लेकिन अचानक से चेंज कर लेते हैं अपना माइंड और उसको दोबारा रिमाइंड कराना शुरू कर देते हैं। They reminded him of how they used to make fun of this coward dragon, and now they all were praising him. So at once the dog said that it was just because of some confusion that he was not able to do anything. Otherwise तो उसने पता नहीं क्या कर दिया होता. He would have been twice brave as Custard is. Both Ink and Blink also said that they would have been 3 times braver than Custard. दोबारा से अपनी डींगे हाँकना शुरू कर देते कि अगर हम पजल ना हुए होते तो हम Custard से भी ज़्यादा अच्छा कुछ कर लेते. To this, the dragon said that he fully agreed to this, that all of them were more powerful and braver than him. Or at last, the poet has used the same lines again कि Belinda अभी भी जो है उसी घर में रहती है with her pets और उतनी ही brave है, as brave as barrel full of bears. Barrel full of bears here means person without fear, अभी भी वैसी ही है. So the real hero actually was the dragon, whereas all other characters, they were always disturbing this pet dragon who actually comes out to be very, very strong. So sweethearts, we can just sum up by saying that do not judge a book by its cover. जी हाँ, Custard जो कि हमेशा मजाक का केंद्र रहा है, being mocked for being cowardly, or whereas the others, they were quite brave. They said that they are very brave. And pirate who breaks into Belinda's house, जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा ख़तरनाक है, लेकिन वो उतना ख़तरनाक नहीं होता है. Custard जो कि इतना timid है, इतना coward है, वो जो है अनएक्सपेक्टेड चीज़ें कर लेता है और ख़तरे से सबको बचा लेता है. So neither Custard nor the pirate are what they seem to be. Therefore, in the end, we can conclude that we should not judge someone without fully getting to know them. When the situation demands, they are bound to show their true colors एंड दीज में सरप्राइज अस, जैसा कि हमें कस्टर्ड द ड्रैगन ने इस पोम में किया. सो वेल, दिस इज ऑल. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम इसके क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर्स को डिटेल में डिस्कस करेंगे. टिल देन, गुड बाय, टेक केयर.